Dude,
Jimmy John's.
Quiznos was the best.
Did like Quiznos.
I love Quiznos.
Their mesquite chicken.
Quiznos was good, but then they shut down.
There's one in LA.
What's up, guys? So I'm currently working on the Tahoe vlog, and I might have messed up. What's up,
you have a
Ennis?
camera?
Well,
You told me you wanted to walk.
I'll get to that. You know, you told me to get context of the Tahoe vlog so the audience knows where we are, what we're doing, what we're shooting.
Yeah.
I didn't do that.
Let me guess. Now you're like, you don't have anything to patch the video with.
Well, yeah, but that's why you're here, so put this on.
Oh my God. Dude, busy working.
I did get a lot of good shots, though.
God knows what you have, Dal. Does anything around us at any point make sense?
So, Ennis, what's the deal with you and Mikey and cryptocurrency?
Oh gosh.
XRP executives, they always say to the moon.
It's a good branding.
Ennis, you have money in XRP?
I do, like a couple $1,000s. I mean, but I'm not mad at all. This is either gonna buy me a McLaren lease for a year, or I'm gonna lose it all. And mark my words, if that thing goes up to 16,000, we're getting a McLaren to the channel.
I always wanted to live in a museum with like dinosaurs and stuff. You know, probably because I didn't have any friends as a kid, and I thought it'd be cool just to, you know, have all these dinosaurs and stuff come to life at night and play with me.
Do you take breaks or?
I haven't taken a break in the last 20 months. I just like working, and I'm super stoked at all times, pretty much. Anybody that knows me closely, they'll know that, like, if I'm believing in something, I won't stop till I get there. So this is what I don't like about what we're doing right now. I specifically asked you before the trip to get all the behind the scenes footage, us shooting, touring the home, talking about details. Do you have any of that stuff?
Yeah. Top celebrity crush.
What's her name? Hugh Jackman. No, Margot Robbie.
Little
Basic.
A little on the nose, yeah. Ennis?
I mean, honestly, I don't really have a ton of like, I mean, when I was a kid, I had a huge, outrageous crush on Hilary Duff. I saw her in one of the movies. I was like, I'm gonna go to America. I'm gonna find Hilary Duff. That kind of stuff. Like Dark Secrets, like this is, I kept this in the closet for like over 15 years. She plays that perfect, like attractive blonde American. Then like, you come to America, you're like, what was I thinking? You know, it's just like, you realize Lindsay Lohan is just like a drug addict. She's all over the place, you know, just like.
Wait, Lindsay Lohan or Hilary Duff?
Well, Hilary Duff, but like she plays that character too, you know, like that American attractive girl. Then you're like, dude, you know what happened? You know, but anyways, wanted to mention that. Growing up as a kid, I used to be like big on cars. My dad, when I was going to primary school, would buy me a car magazines every single week on Friday, and that was my gift. So the moment we walked into that garage, I was like, oh my God. Gotta be one of my favorite cars ever built. And it was just awesome to see all those cars and be able to use it in the video, as you guys saw it at the intro. I don't know, it was just a lot of fun. I feel like I kind of lost it when I initially saw it.
This movie set's kind of cool. Can we just check that out for a second?
Dal, as usual, here's you getting distracted from the main purpose of the walk. And here we are shooting something totally unrelated. My point, it's 5 p.m. right now. I should be working on my desk.
Let's go.
Jesus.
So everyone thinks you do these in one take and that you're, you know, kind of Mr.
Do
Perfect. The tours, like when you show the house.
Yeah, where are you going with this, Dal? What's up, everyone? That was good. Now, we're going to plenty of clothes. Even hit the notification. I also just remember we have hydronic heating. Oh my God. Pop a green color right here to give it a little bit of a funness. Okay, I'm getting ridiculous. Ready? Oh my God, the time I nail it. We have the should I mention the Legos or just ignore it?
He's not Mr. Superhuman on the shoots. He also makes
Comes
mistakes.
from a man who messes up B-roll. Outer space that we just toured. Now, as we go in.
I don't know, there's nowhere to go.
He got stuck, he's like. I was like, he sounded so confident. I was like, I'm gonna come at you then.
Do you think the Facebook videos, the quality is as good as?
Of course, because I shoot them. I'm expanding and perfecting my craft over here. Please respect. Thank you. Who knows behind these incredible Facebook videos is this genius right here, the man himself, the craftsman, the perfecter, the knowledge barrier, everything. I don't even know what the last one meant, but it was so good that it meant a lot to me.
What are y'all up to?
Setting up this. Look at this. It's like a $10,000 drone, right? Look at the way we're balancing this by taping quarters onto the lens. You know.
We gotta have a little hood.
That's legit.
Yeah. See, it's not perfectly balanced, so we're gonna add a little dime to it. See if it balances out. Oh, look at that! Like it was meant to be. All right, let's fly this thing.
Did you know it flies faster than a McLaren?
Wow.
Wow.
What kind of shots are you getting, Mikey? What do we usually eat on these road trips?
Dude, I can never get you guys to eat healthy. Like, it's impossible. Dude, you guys want to eat pizza? That sounds...
Or Aaron sandwich.
Aaron's.
Some
Go
more like
to the
hamburger.
place called Shat's.
Yeah, Aaron Shuts Roadhouse.
I mean, it's burgers and fries.
They have some fried fish too.
Oh, but once we get out of this town, there's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing.
All right, could I just get one bean and cheese burrito?
I will have, I guess, 2 chalupas, but I want no meat in it, just like a vegetarian, maybe with like extra rice.
Can I get a Crunchwrap Supreme, 2 beef chalupa Supreme, and a bean and cheese?
Can we have the cinnamon twist?
No drinks for anybody?
If y'all got an air fresh.
No, that'll be all. Yeah, that's it.
He's
only one other
like,
person
what the hell, mijo? This is a lot of food. Like, let me see this crunchy.
Yeah,
How is it? Is it
chalupa?
twisty?
That's a Crunchwrap.
Good.
It's good to go.
Just put this here. It's surprisingly really good. No meat. Trying to say somewhat decently healthy, but I mean.
I know you might be a little mad at me for not getting what you wanted, but it's been a good walk, hasn't it? It's a pretty day.
Tell, there's 25-mile-an-hour wind. It's cold. It's already dark. I'm hungry. I'm overworked. And I love that you're trying to justify that this was a fun activity for us, where we could be relaxing at the home right now. But I'm also kind of nervous. You're asking me all these questions. You're asking me a lot. What did you end up shooting?
Well, I got some good
Dude,
stuff.
watch out, watch out. Subscribe.
Yeah, it's a little baby burger.
Sweet
though.
potato fries?
Here's David Boy too.
Ocarina.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Ocarina.
Are you okay?
Well, we don't really need to talk about what I shot, but why don't we talk about how scary the drive home was?
We almost got stuck in Lake Tahoe. A lot of people don't know this. We made it by an hour or two. It was snowing like crazy, and it was snowing so much that a couple of the highway exits were actually blocked. We ended up making it into the last one and barely made it out of Lake Tahoe. Like, we were gonna be stuck there for 3 or 4 days. And Dallas was like, great, we will have some vlog content. All the stuff that I didn't get, now I could.
Well, while we're on that, why don't you go ahead and give us an ending?
Let me guess, you don't have an outro too.
I just wanted to fit with the one we're shooting.
Oh my god, no. Well guys, thank you for watching another one of our videos on the second channel. And I hope whatever Dal made out of this is good and you guys don't get mad at us. And if you do, it's totally Dal's fault. We had the best intentions. Dal here just spinning off, coming up with some cool and creative ideas. But I hope everybody enjoyed the vlog. And if you did, make sure to give us a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the second channel. Hopefully more behind the scenes where Dal can actually deliver. We can show you guys the fun stuff we do. And if you haven't already, even hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we post on this channel. And we'll see you guys next week.
Do I still have a job?
We'll see after this video.